Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss economic growth. What is economic growth? Today I am going to discuss it. In my previous video already I have finished chapter 6 and today I am going to start chapter 7. Okay? Chapter 7 is what? Economic growth and development chapter. Okay? In this video I will discuss only economic growth. What do you mean by economic growth? Today we will understand about it. This is day 1 video. You are going to understand it. Economic growth. What do you mean by economic growth? Economic plus growth. Economic topic I will discuss later. At first try to understand the concept of growth. We know very well today is child and now he will become young and after that he will become old. It means what? Changing is going continuously. Okay, from childhood to old age. Okay, it means growth is going on. And now I'm going to discuss what is development. Try to understand the concept of development. Okay, so before understanding the concept of development, you will have to understand the concept of economic growth. What do you mean by economic growth? Please see the definition and please write the this definition in a copy. Try to write the definition. Okay. The process where the real per capita income, the process where the real per capita income of a country increases over a long period of time. Okay, the process where the real per capita of income of a country increases over a long period of time. Okay, तो किसी भी कंट्री के ग्रोथ को हम लोग जो है दो तरीके से डिवाइन कर सकते हैं, जो है कि कितना इंक्रीज हुआ ग्रोथ में, जो है जीडीपी. ओके, कितना इंक्रीज आएगा एक पीरियड के अंदर, जो है. और दूसरा जीएनपी के ऊपर भी हम लोग मेजर कर सकते हैं, जो है किसी कंट्री के ग्रोथ को हम लोग मेजर कर सकते हैं दो तरीके से, जो है. पहला हो गया जो है जीडीपी एंड सेकंड हो गया जीएनपी. तो एट फर्स्ट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस व्हाट इज जीडीपी. ओके, what is GDP? We know very well the definition of GDP, gross domestic product. Okay, gross domestic product. Okay, try to understand the concept of gross domestic product. Okay, so gross domestic products means what? So in defining economic growth, the focus on an increase in per capita income. Let us explain why it is so. Okay, later I'm going to explain it. The economic growth has been defined in terms of national income aggregates. Which income? For national income. National income. Okay, national income. Clear? So economic growth is defined in terms of national income. Defined in terms of national income aggregate. Everybody agrees that the necessary requirements of economic growth is an increased output goods and services in economy. Output goods and services. First, which goods? Output goods and services. Clear? Output goods and services. And after that, in the economic convertedly measured in terms of national income. So there are two important national income aggregate in this regards. First, total national income and per capita income. So national income is defined as the value of all final goods and services. National income is defined as the value of all final goods and services. National goods is defined as the all value of final goods and services. Okay, which goods? Which income? National income is defined as the value of all final goods and services produced in a country in a year. So national income can be expressed in terms of gross domestic product. Which national income is terms of gross domestic products, GDP. GDP means what? Gross domestic product. Clear? The GDP is defined as the value of all final goods and services produced in a year in the domestic territory of a country. GDP is defined as the value of all final goods and services produced in a year in the domestic territory of a country. Now, what is GNP? Second is what? GNP. GNP is what? Try to understand the concept of GNP. GNP is what? GNP is defined as the value of final goods and services produced by the normal residents of a country during a year. In which year? During a year. And third is Third is what? Per capita income. Per capita income. Per capita income. Per capita income is what? The per capita income is the average income. Per capita income is the average income of all the people of a country in a particular year. Okay, this is called per capita income. Okay, the per capita income or product. Clear? The per capita income is equal to national income of a country divided by population of a country. The per capita income is equal to GNP of a country divided by population of a country. Clear? So a major factor accounting for the increased interest in economic development is the poor countries become aware of their poverty. People in the poor countries of Asia, Africa, and Latin America are demanding economic development at any cost. So in this video, I have given you little knowledge about economic growth, and next video I will discuss economic development. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel. Thanks for watching.